Have you been struggling to lose fat and feel like giving up because you are not seeing any results even after trying out new diets, cutting out your favorite foods and spending hours at the gym? I understand it can be very frustrating, but you are not the only one experiencing that. The reason is because traditional dieting often fail because they are too restrictive. You are told to eat less, avoid certain foods, or stick to a rigid meal plan. But life happens. You get busy, social events come up, stress kicks in, and suddenly the diet becomes impossible to maintain. And also, many diets focus solely on cutting calories, which can leave you feeling hungry, deprived, and low on energy. And eventually, your willpower is lost. And within a twinkle of an eye, you are back to square one. This is where intermittent fasting comes into play. Instead of focusing only on what you eat, intermittent fasting shifts the focus from what you eat to when you eat. It is a different approach that doesn't require you to give up foods you love or feel like you are constantly battling hunger. But that doesn't mean you eat anyhow. It must be a balanced, whole, and natural meal. Intermittent fasting is all about giving your body a break from constant eating and allowing it to use and burn the stored fat in your body before you add more. Think of it as a structured way to give your body some downtime from digesting food so that it can burn the stored fat in your body, which is amazing for fat loss and overall health. Intermittent fasting is more about eating smartly than eating less. It taps into your body's natural ability to burn fat for energy when food is not available. This process dates back to our ancestors who didn't have constant access to food like we do today. Let's talk about the health benefits of intermittent fasting. There are so many health benefits of intermittent fasting, which is why so many people are turning to it for fat loss and overall health. The first on the list is fat loss. Intermittent fasting can help with fat loss by reducing the period of time you have to eat, which naturally leads to fewer calories consumed. But it's not just about eating less. During fasting periods, your body switches from burning glucose for energy to burning stored fat in the body. This process is known as ketosis, and it is a powerful fat burning mechanism. Intermittent fasting also boosts your metabolism, so you burn more calories even when you are not working out. The second benefit of intermittent fasting is that it improves insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means that your body becomes more efficient at using insulin to process glucose, which is particularly beneficial for preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. The third benefit of intermittent fasting is that it helps in cellular repair and longevity, that is making you live longer. You see, fasting triggers a process called autophagy, where your body starts to clean out damaged cells and regenerate new ones. This cellular repair process is crucial for overall health, and it has been linked to increased longevity and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The fourth benefit of intermittent fasting is that it helps in mental clarity and focus. If you're always losing focus, then start fasting. This is because fasting increases the production of a particular protein in the brain known as the brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF) that supports brain health. The fifth benefit of intermittent fasting is its simplicity. Yes, one of the underrated benefits of intermittent fasting is its simplicity. There is no need to plan elaborate meals or start counting calories every day. No. You simply eat during your eating period and fast during your fasting period. This makes sticking to intermittent fasting much easier than traditional diets. Leave a comment below if you have any question or you want to share your intermittent fasting experience. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more professional nutrition tips and insights on living your healthiest life.
This is Nutri Television, your professional source to everything nutrition.